Never play a lion.
Safety tip number 7, stick with your friends.
Safety tip 50, never stand in electrical storms. Never play with a snake.
Safety tip number 1, do not wear pink and purple.
Safety tip number 9, never leave the door open when you are the only one home.
Never play in the truck when it is on.
Safety tip number 7, stick with your buddy. Do not go swimming in the ocean at night.
Safety tip number 5, never jump off a cliff.
Safety tip number 3, never bully people. Never play in a fire. Always respect your teacher. Always wear a crash helmet when you're riding a bike before you fall on your back. Safety tip number 101, always stick with the buddy.